Want to know the top earning strategies on YouTube in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and YouTube is no exception. With over 2 billion logged-in users per month, it's safe to say that YouTube has become a significant platform for earning money. Ever since its inception in 2005, YouTube has steadily grown into an online behemoth, a breeding ground for creativity, innovation, and yes, a whole lot of money-making. It's not just about posting videos and hoping for the best anymore. It's about understanding the platform, knowing its ins and outs, and leveraging its features for your benefit. YouTube's earning strategies have evolved over the years, adapting to changing user behavior and technological advancements. From ad revenue and sponsorships to merchandise sales and fan funding, the ways to monetize on YouTube have diversified. Today, understanding these strategies is more important than ever. In 2024, the top earners on YouTube aren't just those who have the most views or subscribers. They're the ones who have mastered the art of monetization, who understand that earning on YouTube is about more than just video views. It's about engaging with your audience, optimizing your content for search engines, diversifying your revenue streams, and staying ahead of the curve. So, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber looking to increase your earnings or a newbie trying to make your mark on the platform, understanding these strategies can be the key to your success. It's not just about being popular, it's about being profitable. And in today's digital world, profitability often comes down to strategy. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets of YouTube's top earners? Ready to learn about the strategies that can help you maximize your earnings on the platform? Then you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, we're going to delve into these strategies, giving you the tools you need to become a top earner on YouTube. Stay tuned as we delve into these top strategies. We're just getting started, and there's a lot to learn. Let's dive in. First, diversify your revenue streams. This can't be emphasized enough, especially in a digital landscape that's always evolving. If you're solely relying on AdSense for income, it's time to rethink your strategy. While it's a decent starting point, it's not the only game in town. Consider this: merchandising. If you've built a strong brand and a loyal following, why not offer merchandise? T-shirts, mugs, stickers. The options are endless. Your fans get to support you and show off their loyalty, and you get another income stream. Win-win. Next, brand partnerships. These can be lucrative, provided they align with your content and audience. Choose wisely, though. Authenticity is key. Your audience can tell when something's off. Lastly, there's crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow your fans to support you financially, often in exchange for exclusive content or perks. So remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Second, engage with your audience. Now, you might be wondering, why is this so important? Well, engaging with your audience isn't just about responding to comments or creating community posts. It's about fostering a sense of community. It's about making your viewers feel seen, heard, and valued. Imagine you're at a party. You wouldn't just talk at people, right? You'd have a conversation, listen, respond, and engage. The same principle applies to your YouTube channel. When you respond to comments, you're showing your viewers that you care about their thoughts and opinions. When you create community posts, you're inviting your viewers into your world, sharing updates, asking questions, and sparking discussions. Engagement isn't a one-way street. It's a continuous dialogue between you and your viewers. And this engagement, it can lead to increased viewer retention and ultimately boost your earnings. That's right, by engaging with your audience, you're not only building a community, but you're also building your business. Engagement is key to building a loyal and invested audience. Third, optimize your SEO. Now, we've talked about diversifying revenue streams and engaging with your audience, but all of that can amount to zilch if your content isn't discoverable. That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. SEO is, in essence, the art and science of making your content findable. It's like leaving breadcrumbs for Hansel and Gretel, but instead of a cannibalistic witch, you're leading viewers straight to your channel. So, how do you optimize your SEO? Firstly, use keywords effectively. Keywords are like the signposts that lead viewers to your content. They should be relevant, specific, and ideally in a sweet spot of popularity and competition. So if you're creating a video on homemade pasta, your keywords might be homemade pasta recipe, easy pasta making, or DIY Italian cuisine. It's about capturing what people are actually typing into that search bar. Next up, create compelling descriptions. Your video's description isn't just a place to summarize your content. It's another opportunity for SEO. Make sure to include your keywords in a natural, readable way. And remember, the first 2 to 3 lines are especially important as they appear in the search results. Finally, use tags strategically. Tags help YouTube understand your video's content and context. They're like the keywords of the YouTube algorithm. But remember, more isn't always better. Use a handful of relevant tags rather than a scattergun approach of loosely related ones. Think of SEO like a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece, from keywords to descriptions to tags, is important. But when they all fit together, that's when you'll really see the impact. And here's a pro tip: consistency is key. Regularly uploading content that uses SEO effectively can increase your channel's visibility over time. It's not a one-and-done deal, but a long-term strategy. Remember, good SEO can make the difference between being seen or being invisible on YouTube. Let's recap the top earning strategies on YouTube in 2024. We've journeyed through a trove of insights, and now it's time to tie it all together. Our first strategy was about diversifying revenue streams. Remember, relying solely on ad revenue could be as shaky as a house of cards. It's essential to diversify and broaden your income sources. Consider merchandise sales, channel memberships, or even crowdfunding. These strategies not only offer stability, but also deepen your connection with your audience. It's like building a multi-legged stool. Even if one leg wobbles, the stool remains sturdy. Then we moved on to the importance of engaging with your audience. Engagement is the heart of a thriving YouTube channel. Responding to comments, hosting live chats, or even setting up Q&A sessions can make your viewers feel valued and heard. It's like hosting a party. The more you interact with your guests, the more likely they are to stick around and enjoy the festivities. Our final strategy was about optimizing your SEO. This is your secret weapon to stand out in the YouTube universe. Use keywords wisely, write compelling descriptions, and don't forget about the power of a catchy title. Think of it like a neon sign in a bustling city. It grabs attention and directs people to your space amidst the noise. So there you have it, 3 powerful strategies to bolster your YouTube earnings. Diversify your revenue streams for stability, engage with your audience for longevity, and optimize your SEO for visibility. It's a trinity of tactics that, when combined, can propel your channel to new heights. However, remember, strategies are not one size fits all. They are tools to be adapted, not blueprints to be copied. Customize them to suit your unique style and audience. Take these strategies and conquer the YouTube world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.